Over here, this video project is in a certain aspect ratio. This is in 16:9 aspect ratio, meaning that the top portion is 16 parts wide, while the side portion is 9 parts tall. So this is the standard aspect ratio for modern televisions. So if you want to go ahead and change this out, then what you can do is you can see that 16:9 is an option over here on the bottom. You can go around and click and select any other aspect ratio as you like. So original is when you get to the video clip aspect ratio itself right here. But if I were to go around and change it to 16:9 YouTube, then you can see that it changes it out accordingly right here. Similarly, you can go for 4:3, which is more of a traditional television aspect ratio right here. So if I were to go around onto 16:9, you can see that the objects in the project itself get rearranged over here as well. Like this tree right here and this video clip right here got rearranged a bit. You can go around and make adjustment as per the new aspect ratio as well. So this is 16:9. You can see that the tree moves out and the video resizes right there. Similarly, there's 2:1 right here, which is more like 2 parts on the top and 1 on the side. So it's wider. And then there's 9:16 TikTok, which is more of a vertical view right here as well. So that is an option as well. And especially CapCut is very famous for making videos in TikTok as well. If I were to go to 3:4 right here, then you can see that it becomes 3:4 over here. And 1:1 is a perfect square ratio, just like this. So that is how you can go around and change out the aspect ratio of your video projects inside of CapCut to give it the aspect ratio as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.